All right, I'm back again. There is something I want to talk about. I've been wanting to talk about it, but then each time I forget. Until today, I had an encounter, though not personal encounter. Okay, today something happened. I was on transit coming back from somewhere. Then it's what happened reminded me when we were in primary, nursery, even secondary school, when our teacher taught us that when you want to sneeze in public space, most especially, no, that's not even most especially, anything public, even in, because it becomes a habit, even in your private moment in your room, that you try to cover your mouth and your nose when you want to sneeze. If you have hanky, you hold it over your mouth and nose so that you do not contaminate others, so that you do not diffuse the air and everybody becomes a partaker in whatever you gives out. But this time around, you see people sneezing violently, radically, sneezing anyhow, sneezing with reckless abandon, after which they say, excuse me. Excuse you for what? I mean, excusing you is that as important as covering your mouth and your nose when you want to sneeze? What are we excusing you for when the deed has been done? What is the meaning of excuse me? I mean, this is just a kind of modern behavior that I find so annoying, so nauseating, so offensive. Please, when you want to sneeze, you enter a vehicle, a very tight space where there are even four people in a row, and you are sneezing anyhow. After which you look around and say, "Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me." What is the meaning of that? Please cover your nose. We won't eat you with mouth. Stop this.